Patio landscaping, ideas to improve your outdoor space. Patios and decks are rather uninviting if not furnished with plants and accessories. Plants soften the uncompromising lines of hardscape features, breathing life into them and inviting you in to sit down and relax. Big plants can cause big problems. Trees are the biggest class of landscape plants, so one thing you definitely have to get right with your patio landscaping is tree selection. If you really want to get fancy, you can do some color coordinating between your patio and your plants. For example, blue star juniper would bring out the blue in some bluestone pavers or even flagstone. For a smaller plant, try blue fescue grass. The vast majority of people like to have at least a little privacy along their property lines. There are 3 ways to go here. Some folks prefer a more manicured look in screening, achieved by trimming the shrubs into a rectangular shape. Thus the popularity of the formal hedge, which also gives a greater degree of privacy. Privet is a popular choice. But a number of options for formal hedges exist, including: when mulling over our choices for patio landscaping, sometimes it's easy to become fixated on the two-dimensional. But by including verticality in our designs, we open up a whole other dimension, making the outdoor living area much more interesting. Building an arbor adjacent to your patio is one way to inject a vertical element. The vertical element can be introduced in a number of ways. The option with the greatest impact is the pergola. It's also the option with the highest functionality because pergolas can be covered to increase your comfort level outdoors by providing shade. Cover your pergola and you've transformed it into a room that isn't quite inside, but neither is it any longer quite outside. Hardscape structures such as patios bristle with harsh edges, and landscaping with plants is one of the best ways to provide a softening touch. Among the smaller plants, perennials are the most popular choice for this job. Deploying a mix of mainly long-blooming perennials and small shrubs, you can have something in bloom for most of the growing season. Don't be hesitant to spice up your patio landscaping with annuals. These plants may be short-lived, but they provide a potent injection of instant color. One aspect of patio functionality is comfort, and that's where pools come into play. There's nothing like sunning yourself on the patio and then jumping into a swimming pool to cool off. You'll have to decide, though, if this luxury is worth the extra maintenance involved with pools. Moreover, there's a safety issue here if you have small children. More manageable for the water-craving masses are small decorative water features. You can't swim in them, but the gurgling sound made by their waters is ever so relaxing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.